Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to look at my SAAS Stack 2025. What I'll be using to create a new SaaS app, and I create a new SaaS app like every month. So this will be really helpful for me at least. So first is the full stack framework, which is Next.js. I'm a very big fan of Next.js, and it's easily usable. It has lots of options for customization, and if you know how to code it very well, you can make it very fast. So for marketing projects, for actual SaaS web app, everything Next.js is great, and that comes with Vercel hosting. So I haven't hit Vercel's any restrictions on even free planet, so it's very easy to host there, and it just takes like 20 seconds to host Next.js app. So when I'm creating a new Next.js project, it's almost always in Vercel. So that's for hosting and deployment, and even before anything, design is always in Figma. I've been trying out Penpot for a while now, and it's good, but it's not as polished as Figma. So I'm in Figma camp for now. And of course, CSS is utility for CSS, which is Tailwind. I've been using Tailwind for like in the pre-alpha state, so I probably won't move away from Tailwind, even if it's not used by anyone, because it's the best CSS framework ever. So I'll be using Tailwind for probably forever. And speaking of Tailwind, the shared scene UI components is based on Tailwind and Radix UI. So yeah, shared scene UI component is thumbs up for me, because these three go with each other. Because Tailwind, all the shared scene UI components are made with Tailwind CSS, and everything in V0, which is a UI generation, a UI generation platform, comes with Shadcn and Tailwind CSS. So all my projects are already built with Shadcn and Tailwind CSS. Even my Figma designs are built in Shadcn components and Tailwind CSS styles, colors, and everything. So whenever I'm generating a V0 UI, it probably comes with Shadcn and Tailwind, and I can even import that generated UI in Figma also. So these four go hand in hand. And for image generation, I use Midjourney. I've been using Midjourney for a long while now, and I know how to prompt it very well. So I use Midjourney, but the new leader probably is ChatGPT 4o images, which is also very good. But Midjourney has lots of customizations that I use. So upscaling, editing, everything, Midjourney is probably still the leader for me. And backend, which I'm not very strong in backend, so I just use Superbase, which is very easy to use. So I use Superbase for backend, Clerk for auth management, because again I don't want to build all the auth UI layouts for every project. So Clerk has built in lots of UI components for auth, so I use Clerk. Recent email API, this is pretty simple. Recent has the best API for email, so I just use Recent for all the marketing email, transaction emails, everything. And payment is from Polar. Stripe is not available from, so I default to Polar for new projects. I used to use Lemon Squeezy, but I don't think they're accepting new people anymore, so Polar it is. And product analytics, Postdog, it is like the best like admin panel I've ever seen. It has all the charts and everything that I need to create a new panel for each of my SaaS apps. So Postdog it is. And the new kid is the AI tooling and SDK. So AI SDK is from Vercel, and it is like the best AI SDK. You can have however many models as you want, and yeah, so AI SDK for, so all my latest SaaS app has some form of AI, so I use AI SDK for that. And that's it. That is it. I don't think I've missed anything. So yeah, this is my SaaS stack for 2025. I'm just gonna schedule it. That's all. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any thoughts on this SaaS stack, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.